In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replicate text fields data in DocuSign templates and envelopes, making your document management process more efficient and seamless. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to head over to the DocuSign website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted with the main dashboard. On the left-hand panel, you'll see an option labeled Templates. Click on it. This section contains all the templates you've either created or those shared with you. Templates are reusable documents that can include fields for recipients to complete, all designed to streamline your signing process. Next, we're going to select a template to work with. Look for a button labeled Use and click on it. This action takes the selected template and prepares it for customization within an envelope. In DocuSign, an envelope is like a container where you can add documents, recipients, and set the signing order. Click Next to proceed. Now you should be seeing a preview of your document where you can begin adding new elements. Look for the option that says Text Field and click on it. Text fields are essential for gathering information from your document recipients, and this is where data replication comes into play. Once you've added a text field to your document, notice the Field Properties section. Here you will see an option labeled Data Label. This attribute is crucial for replicating data across multiple fields. Think of it as the field's unique identifier. Click on Data Label and then type in a label name of your choice. It's important that all text fields intended to share the same data have the exact same label name. By labeling them the same, DocuSign knows to replicate the data input from one to another. After labeling your fields, you can go ahead and type into the text field. This is to ensure the functionality works correctly. Now, a very important step, before finalizing, make sure everything is correctly labeled and the text is indeed replicating across fields as expected. Finally, you have a couple of options. If you're satisfied with the setup and plan to use this configuration in the future, click on Save and Close to save your document changes. If you're ready to send the document for signing, go ahead and click on Send. But remember, double-check everything before sending to avoid any mistakes. The process for replicating text field data is now complete. This technique ensures that when a recipient enters data in one text field, the information is automatically propagated to all identical fields. It's a huge time saver, especially if you're handling large or complex documents. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and happy DocuSigning.